Hello, this is Kelly with Zima Software. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset a supervisor's user account password. Please note that if a supervisor was set up with the proper email address, they can reset their own password. As you can see on the screen, I'm logging in as JDoe, and my password is incorrect. All I need to do is click on Forgot Your Password, and it'll prompt me for an email address to which it'll send the reset instructions. However, if this email is not received, an admin may need to reset the password for them, and this is how you do it. When logged into the admin UI, I go to User Management and User Accounts. First, select the affected user from the drop-down at the top. To change the password, simply replace the password and confirm password below. Once the password has been changed, click Save and share the new credentials with that supervisor.